Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see about how to view the warehouse list in Fresa application. Initially, you need to log into the system, and after your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now go to warehouse module. Here we have to choose warehouse master menu. In this page, you can view all the warehouse list that has been created already in the system. If you want to edit anything, then click on edit button available. After your click, you'll be redirected to the particular organization page. There you can find edit button to edit the details. If you want to view all the list in a single page, then you can click on all button provided in rows drop down menu. If you want to download the report, then click on options. There you can find download button available to download the report. So this is how you can view the warehouse list in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.